Welcome. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to compile your documents, your PDF documents into one. Okay, and I will be using ilovepdf.com. If you are a first-time viewers, please subscribe. We are one big family here. We talk on different digital. I post different content on digital skills that you can learn, right? And yes, so make sure you subscribe. Okay, subscribe. It doesn't bite. All right, let's go into it. So you go to ilovepdf.com. I'm on desktop view. Let me change to remove it from desktop view. All right, there are a lot of things you can do from ilovepdf. You see, that's even the first thing we have here: merge PDF, split PDF, compress PDF. So for the purpose of this class, what we intend to do is to merge PDF. So take, for instance, you are trying to submit a document and you only have space to upload just one document, one PDF document, and meanwhile you need to compile everything together. The example I will give is this common registration that I do. I remember in my videos that if you want me to create a video on how to merge your documents, you let me know. So yes, and I've been receiving a lot of requests, so I just have to make this video. So in that place, you can only upload one document, so which means that you need to compile them together. So you come to merge PDF, you click on select PDF file. So you are going to combine all the whole PDFs together. So I'm going to click on select PDF file. I'll click on my media, documents. Let me go to this week documents. Okay, so I'm just going to, so let's say we are adding CSC certificate, which is the first one here. Okay, this is one. I'll click on plus. I will pick another document. Let's say I'm adding this application status. So I can just press it down, add more PDF. This is the newspaper publication I did for a charity organization. I'm just going to click on different documents. You see now 5 selected, so I'm going to click on select to have them here. You see, I have all my PDF here. I have all my PDF over here. Rearrange. All you need to do is to move, click on it. Let's say you want this ID card to be there, so just do your things. Okay, all right, so from there you click on merge PDF. You see, PDFs have been merged. Wow, PDF has been merged. So what do you need to do? All you need to do is to click on download merged PDF. Once you click on this download merged PDF, you see that's compressed everything together to download again. So if I click on this now to open it, I will see all the PDF that I merged together. Okay, I will see everything here. So let me just wait for it to load, and I quickly do. You see, this is CSC certificate, this is status reports, this is the newspaper publication, the ID card too will be there. You see, the school certificate and all that. So that is how to merge all PDF together. So now let's say, for instance, you now want to compress it. If they now ask you to reduce the file, you see we have 5.19 MB. They want you to reduce the file. All you need to do is to click onto this compress PDF. So when you click on compress PDF, you see, you click on compress PDF, and then let's see what we are going to have. You see, your PDF are now 65% smaller, which means from 519 MB, from 5 MB to 1 MB. You see, it has been compressed and it will still have the quality. I hope this video helps. I'm sure it helps. Please leave me a comment in the comment section so that this video can get to more people, and make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification button so that anytime I make a post, you'll be the first person to see the post. Is that not interesting? All right, I will see you in my next video. Thank you.